As we are used to, start with the following. We need to select the desired plane. Click on the front plane and click on Sketch. Draw a picture using the reference below. Use lines and 3 points ARC. Use the revolved base command to revolve the sketch around its center line. Create a new sketch on the right plane and draw a sketch similar to the one on the picture that follows. Click on Extrude Cut, select the sketch and activate the second direction. Then select through all for both directions. After clicking on OK, a message will pop up and ask about bodies to keep. Select all bodies. Create another sketch on the right plane and create a sketch as shown below. Next, use the Extrude Cut, activate the second direction and select through all for both directions to remove the body. Now, create a new sketch on top of the bottle and draw a circle with 61 mm of diameter. We want to project the circle we've created in step 8 on the highlighted area. First, go to Insert Greater Than Curves Greater Than Projected Curve, select the circle for the sketch to project and select the highlighted area for projecting the faces. We need to repeat step 9 for the bottom face. In this step, we are going to create a guideline on the front plane. So, go ahead and create a new sketch on the front plane and draw 2 curves with each a radius of 76 mm. We need 2 more guidelines. This time create a new sketch on the right plane and draw 2 curves with radius of 110 mm. Select loft, the top and bottom faces, and most importantly, select the 4 guidelines we've created in step 11 and step 12. Now, we are going to create another guideline for a new plane. To create a new plane, go to Insert Reference Geometry Plane. Now create a new sketch on the plane we've created in the previous step. And create a sketch similar to the one shown below. Create another sketch on the right plane and draw a guideline like I am doing below. Now, use Sweep Cut to remove the sketch formed by the added body. First select the profile that we've created on the new plane, select the guideline and click on OK. Use the Fillet command to give a 4 mm fillet to the highlighted edges.